To set different notification sounds for apps in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the notifications right here and then scroll down to advanced settings where you can find the manage notification categories for each app. If you select this option and it's enabled, you can then go back and scroll down and find the apps. Then select any app that you want to get custom notification sound for. For example, we can go for the, let's say, Facebook. And here we can go for notifications on the top. Make sure that notifications are allowed and then go into notification categories. You can then select the specific category. So depending on an app, you will see different options right here. We have device level notifications, and then we can change the sound that we can pick right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.